Guys, so I was going to do an update today, but I thought, no. I bought my first Reveal the Shield Transformer today. And I must be really, really lucky because I have to barely rub the shield and I can see the logo and it's firmly stuck on. So, yeah, I must be lucky because I've heard a lot of people having issues with it. So, I was shopping today at Asda. If you give me a second, I'll turn this down. So yeah, I was shopping today at Asda and I picked up Chopsaw. Now, he's not in the box because I've already had him out and I've had a bit of a play. But, so you can see, he's a chopper. So, I thought, you get him as a robot and transfer into the vehicle mode. And the vehicle mode is really nice. It's only one of these little small ones. And then I was putting him on the little display there and realised that, yeah, I've got 3 Autobots and 3 Decepticons. I don't know if you can see it, but we have Optimus Prime, Mudflap, Silverstreak, and on top of that speaker, Seaform Ravage. Was it? I can't remember which one. It was bought as a spare thing. No, I got this little blue. Let me just get it now. Look, this little blue thing. I don't even know who he is or what he's meant to be. And I thought, how can I make my display look a bit nicer? And I discovered something. Yes, while some guys were down near Sandy Balls coming up with Ments mode, which must have been fueled by alcohol in order to come up with, for a name like that, I managed to, in a matter of a minute, come up with Decepticon porn. Yes, Decepticon riding Decepticons. It actually works. They're the right size. It actually looks pretty cool. And I think that's pretty awesome. So yeah, that's probably how I'm going to have this displayed. The only problem with what's his name? Chopsaw? Is when he's in alt mode, he firmly has his own head shoved up his ass, as you can see. Because that seat is where his butt is when he's in robot mode, and his nose is right up it. So, yeah. Anyway, let's take the other one off. As you can see, it is really nice. Good little detail. I'm not fantastic at transforming these things, so there is a little gap across the dual tank there. But yeah, what I really liked is, okay, yeah, you've got your foot pegs, they don't look that great. They've put a kickstand on for when you have him in vehicle mode and you want to stand him there. And it's not that big, palm of the hand job, but it is just a really, really nice robot. And the fact is that I could put him on the display in Decepticon porn mode. So yeah, thought I'd do that and show you the little transformer. I know it's not as impressive as some of you guys where you do your hordes and that, but yeah, I'm quite happy. Works quite well. I mean, yeah, the feet were a bit wide, but then again, what do you expect? However, one thing I can say about this guy, he's actually quite easy to transform. I mean, your first thing is getting hold of the wheel, legs apart, and as you can see, wheel splits into two pieces. And you'll do that if your tank folds back, and you fold the seat up. So I'm just going to quickly do this and natter away. Because there's something about it in robot mode, he is a bit lacking. Mind you, get rid of the arms and the legs and Steve Bob. So it's quite a simple transformation. I mean, what I really like about this, and I've got to admit, it's fantastic. You see the engine block. Slide those two bits up. Your engine block is actually his legs and his feet, and they part. I'm not gonna do his arms properly because at the moment I just can't be asked. But I know the great thing is the Preceptor kick. Yeah, we got a very flexible one here. Full splits. But I've got to say, for about £6, he is pretty cool. You can't complain for £6. It's just his hands are these bits here. I mean, I've been funny. How many people do you know that their hands are almost down by their ankles? But yeah, he's quite cool. I really do like him. At the end of the day, it's a cruiser or a chopper or how. So it's a chopper because it's got the longer legs, whereas a cruiser has shorter legs but similar kind of ride. I don't know. I like him. He's going on the collection, and he's going right there. And oh my god. Yeah. Joys of ball joints, even he does it. It's not as spectacular. But, well, he was a first time purchase, nothing fantastic. I don't particularly like him. So yeah, all I want to say is I was rather surprised to find him in Asda of all places, and there was a large selection. Well, I say large. It's like you go to your Tesco's and they might have a section of a shelf like that. We Asda had I've got to move back for this. A section of shelf like that was a basket with those little guys in it, and then a row like that, just various different larger ones. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I will do an update. Actually, I might as well stick it on the end of this. I'm still waiting for my parcel. It will not look very good when I've ordered something else off of eBay that I ordered 2 weeks after I ordered this figure, and that he reckons that it would be here by Wednesday. With the other thing I've ordered, which a set of saddlebags. So yeah, I'm not happy. Will not be using that seller again, because the email I got from him said 10 to 15 days. Not happy, because it's been 14, 15, 16 working days. So there's 2 lots of weekends in there. Not happy, not pleased. Negative feedback will be coming for this seller for untimely delivery. I will let people if anybody wants to know the name of this seller so they can avoid him, direct message me on Twitter and I will just send you the person's name. Anyway, bye for now.